Blow drying your hair at home is a great way to achieve a professional-looking hairstyle without spending a lot of time or money at a salon. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to blow dry your hair at home. Step 1. Start with clean, damp hair. Wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner, then gently towel dry to remove excess water. Be careful not to rub your hair too hard with the towel, as this can cause damage and frizz. Step 2. Apply heat protectant. Before you begin blow drying, apply a heat protectant spray or serum to your hair. This will help protect your hair from heat damage and keep it looking healthy and shiny. Step 3. Divide your hair into sections. Divide your hair into sections using clips or hair ties. This will help you to blow dry your hair more evenly and prevent tangles. Step 4. Start at the roots. Using a round brush, start blow drying your hair at the roots. Hold the brush and use the dryer to blow hot air downwards towards the brush. This will help lift your hair at the roots and create volume. Step 5. Work your way down. As you move down your hair, continue to use the round brush to shape your hair and create volume. You can also switch to a paddle brush or a comb to straighten your hair or create different styles. Step 6. Finish with a cool blast. Once you've finished blow drying your hair, use the cool setting on your dryer to blast your hair with cool air. This will help set your style and add shine. Once your hair is dry, you can add finishing touches such as hairspray, hair serum or shine spray to help set your style and keep your hair looking healthy and shiny. That's it. By following these steps, you can blow dry your hair at home and achieve a salon-worthy look in no time.